Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today in this video we will discuss about the circle. What is circle? You all must have seen such shapes in mathematics or around you, right? This is called circle. And the midpoint is called the center. Center is always at the same distance from the any point on this boundary. If from center we meet any point on the boundary of the circle, this is always equal and we call it radius. This is called the center, we denote it by O, and this distance is called radius. This is also radius. All the lines from center to the point on the boundary is called radius. All are radius. So this is the center O, and from center to the point on the boundary is called radius. We denote it by R. Clear? This boundary, the entire length of the circle, this entire length of the circle is called its circumference. What we call it? Circumference. CIRCUMFERENCE, circumference. Now if we meet two points on the circle, circle पर कोई two points हैं, उनको ऐसे meet करें that it passes through the center. वो center से अगर होकर जाता है, that is called diameter. इस distance को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Diameter, and we can denote it by D. Now we have two formulas which we will use to find diameter or radius here. One formula to find the diameter we use 2 multiply radius. Diameter क्या होता है? Radius का double होता है. It means 2 multiply radius. And radius will be half of diameter. It means diameter divided by 2. So we will use these formulas. Diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius. And radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. आप ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं. We have D here na, so in this we will divide. Now they are asking to find the radius. हमको क्या find out करना है? Radius, RADIUS. So we will use the formula radius is equals to diameter and this is D here, so we will divide it, diameter divided by 2. So radius is equals to diameter is 8 centimeter. Put here 8 centimeter divided by 2. So 8 centimeter को जब आप 2 से divide करेंगे, 2 4s are 8, right? So what you are getting? 4 centimeter. So this is the radius. Again they are asking for the radius. Radius पूछा है and we have here diameter. So use the formula radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equals to, what is diameter here? 12 centimeters. So put 12 centimeter divided by 2. So 12 centimeter divided by 2. 12 को when you will divide by 2, 2 6 are 12, right? So what you are getting? 6 centimeter. This is the radius. Next question is find the diameter. Now they are asking for diameter. In previous question they were asking for radius. Now we will use the formula of diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius. So diameter is equals to, what is radius here? 3 centimeter. So 2 multiply, put the value of radius 3 centimeter. Now you will multiply 3 2s are 6 centimeter. So this is the diameter. Next, again this is the radius and they are asking for diameter. So put the formula of diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius. So 2 into, what is the value of radius? 12 centimeter. 12 2s are 24 centimeter. So this is the diameter. Now let's understand how we can draw circles. Here radius is 2 centimeter. So first of all this is called ruler and this is compass. First of all you will take the length of 2 centimeter, right? You can draw the line of 2 centimeter from 0, first point on 0 and second point on 2. Meet it, right? Now take this distance in this compass. Keep the pointed part on the one point here and second pointed part on the another here. Second part should be here. Now you will simply hold this top part and move this slowly, right? This part should be here. Now this is your circle of 2 centimeter and this is the center and this is the radius. Let's draw the circle of 3.2 centimeter. First of all, draw the line of 3.2 centimeter. Starting point will be on 0 and ending point will be on 3.2. It means after 3, 2 smaller lines here. Ending point is here. Meet them. This will be your radius. One pointed part should be here and another pointed part, that means the pointed part of this pencil should be here. If this is greater, adjust at this point, right? Now this is here on this point. Now you will simply rotate this. Right? This is the circle of radius 3.2 centimeter and this is the radius of this circle and this is the center. Clear? So students, today in this video we have discussed about the circle. We also have found diameter and radius of circle and we have also discussed how to draw circle. Now I am giving you some questions based on it. Tomorrow we will start exercise work. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.